Your Name, we have 6 great masks to help you build your revenue through retail, as well as offer high-quality in-the-chair services. These 6 masks address a range of skincare needs and skincare concerns based on the type of customer profile you have and the type of business you have. You can connect your retail sales with the take-home care mask as you connect that to services you offer in the chair. The new Enzyme Fruit and Flower Mask is amazing for dull skin. It draws out impurities, it exfoliates, and it deep cleanses. With a combination of fruit and flower acids to exfoliate, it can be used once or twice a week to create clean, radiant, refreshed skin. Apply an even layer, avoiding the immediate eye area, eyebrows, and hairline. The Pore Perfecting Peel-Off Mask is perfect for oiliness and visible pores, with the key ingredients of witch hazel and lentil seed extracts to help minimize the appearance of pores and soak up excess sebum, while apple extract and glycerin hydrate and soften the skin. Apply an even thin layer and allow the mask to completely dry. Remove the mask from the outer edges. This mask is ideal for multi-masking, targeting the T-zone area, which tends to be oilier, producing excess sebum. Rinse to remove any residual mask remaining, follow with moisturizer or a night cream. The Glow Mask is an amazing mask with instant results. It's deep cleansing, it helps to restore radiance, it eliminates toxins and impurities, and really energizes the complexion. It's a fantastic charcoal mask which combines white charcoal powder and Japanese charcoal. Apply to a dry face, leave on for 5 minutes. Then you're going to wet your hands and massage it in the skin to activate. Remove with moist cotton pads and rinse well with warm water. The Glow Mask is great for anyone looking for instant radiance and that youthful, healthy glow. At Your Name, we have great masks to help you support retail. Just like we talked about cleansers and moisturizers, masks are the take-home component of the professional service that you offer. The Rose Firming Face Mask is great for all skin types, but especially for mature skin that needs hydration. It helps to reduce the visible signs of fine lines and wrinkles and hydrates the skin instantly. The beautiful texture has a very gel-like sensorial experience, and it's cooling on the skin as well. Apply a generous, even layer all over the face, of course avoiding the eye area. You want to apply the mask from the center of the face outward and upward, and don't forget the neck. Leave on for 20 minutes and remove with a damp cloth or moistened cotton. Including Rose Firming Face Mask into your collection is a no-brainer because it gives you the competitive edge with other products in the market right now that are rose-based. Overnight Recovery Sleep Mask and Treatment repairs, replenishes, and shelters skin overnight. Jojoba seeds, grapeseed, and apricot kernel oils help seal in moisture and restore radiance. The amazing smell of lavender oil is proven to help with sleep, so in a sleep mask it makes sense as an ingredient, but it also helps to soothe and calm the skin. The Overnight Recovery Sleep Mask can be used as a mask and as a treatment. At bedtime, apply a thin layer to face and neck and massage into the skin. Any excess can be blotted off with tissue. It melts into the skin and does not transfer onto your pillowcases. As a treatment, apply mask to face and neck, massage into the skin, and leave on. Smart Hyaluronic Acid provides intense hydration to improve skin's density and smoothness. Vitamin C Peel Mask is a great mask for dull skin because it evens the skin tone, encourages collagen production, and creates a very even complexion. Vitamin C is a known exfoliator and it addresses hyperpigmentation and discoloration. It also aids in cellular turnover, producing new, healthy, radiant skin. Vitamin C Peel Kit is a 2-part treatment, Vitamin C Peel and a Vitamin C Peel Activator. Step 1 of the Vitamin C Peel exfoliates, nourishes, and brightens the skin, while step 2, the Peel Activator, boosts the results with a warming sensation. Using circular motions, apply a thin layer of vitamin C peel onto moistened skin, avoid the eyes, leave on for 2 minutes. Follow vitamin C peel with vitamin C Peel Activator. Use 2 to 3 drops, leave on for 3 minutes, and remove with warm water. Masks will give you a competitive edge over your competition. It builds client loyalty, it gives you newness in your space, and most importantly, it builds your brand.